Hello, si Bayvek uli. Today, I'm going to share about our staff bonding trips to the railway corridor. As nursing home worker, sometimes we have staff bonding activities and visit different places together. Outings are like this adventure where we can enjoy activities and we create memories and have fun as a team. It's a great way to relieve stress and give us the chance to get to know each other better. That one of the reasons why I'm enjoying staff bonding events also. And let me tell you a little bit about the railway corridor also.
You need to subscribe.
You one by one.
Talagang ganda.
8.9 kilometers.
Railway corridor is one of Singapore's most unique nature trails. It is a 24-kilometer green corridor that from Woodland in the north to Tanjong Pagar in the south. And once part of the old KTM railway line that connected Singapore and Malaysia. Today, it has been transformed into beautiful recreational space for walking and jogging, cycling, and enjoying nature. So you just can go there whenever you have time. And what I like most about the railway corridor is that it combines nature, and history and adventure in one place also. Along the trail, you can see old railway landmarks, bridge, and the historic Bukit Timah railway station also. And the area is surrounded by lush greenery, making it a perfect escape from the busy city life. The railway corridor is also an important green space for wildlife and connects different nature areas across in Singapore. Whether you want to exercise, relax, or taking photos or spend time with friends and colleagues, this is a great place to visit. So you can see it from the video as well. So a lot of trees. Let's just say that greeny things.
Not plant in a hybrid. Star fruit. This one can eat one.
Very sour when it's small.
You must see the
And then
the leaf got medicine thing. So back in your country, the starfruit leaf you can go and pound and then put onto any wound that you just got cut.
Can you anyone
Wow.
record?
I record.
No smell, eh?
Oh, then brother, you plug this one. Yeah, that one. Yes. Oh, yeah.
You must bright, okay?
Yes.
Animals also eat wool.
Thank you.
You got big one, look. Tree
Here,
very big, oh.
here also have here.
Tree very big. These are all are flowers.
No, here. Can you see?
Very small.
Here. I think better than this one.
Huh? Oh. Small. This small, right?
Okay.
You right, I can see a color light.
Thank you.
Not bad, no? Not bad.
Then what's that?
Why?
This one.
I don't know why. A lot, huh?
It's like our place, no? Yeah.
Video, huh? Yeah. Is it video? Yes. Okay. Action! Ting, 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 ting. Photo.
Mo? Kita lang. That's all for today videos. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.